Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 358 of me making an app to end doom scrolling and get people off of their phones. Oddly enough, today I have a confession. I have been on Twitter a lot recently. That is social media, that is being on my phone, and honestly, I don't really regret it that much. And I know I'm making an app to get people off their phones, and these logs are mainly about that. But there's another thing about social media and how it can be a really good tool to building a business that is a great thing. Like it enables a lot of good things. As much as I trash on social media, how it is a place that really does rot your brain a bit in a lot of ways and makes you prone to wanting things quick and easy and constant. Now, I don't think that like short form video is the best place for your mind space. It's just not. But there is a lot of value that you can harness from using these platforms, and I'm not going to deny that. So today I wanted to mention that because if it weren't for these platforms, the app that you're seeing right here would not have 100,000 users almost now, which just wouldn't. And that's kind of the funny, ironic part about building an app to end social media while advertising on social media is that I'm kind of part of it. I'm a part of that. Yes, my videos are meant to get people off their phones, but at the same time, is one video better than another? Is this video brain rot and this video good for you? I can't really say for certain. I mean, I know what's good for me, what's not, but I think ultimately I can't just say, without my own opinion involved, that something is brain rot and something is not. That being said, what am I trying to say here? I have been using social media quite a bit lately. Not TikTok, not Instagram. Um, I stay away from those platforms still because I've deemed them as rotting my brain, but a lot more on Twitter, trying to promote basically and just talk about what I'm doing. And it is really fun. And I realize that a lot of the part of social media that my app doesn't really cover, like getting feedback from someone else, could be integrated. I could integrate this in some way, some social aspect, but without the endless feed of content. So basically, groups, so you can go into groups on different topics, I was thinking, and being able to interact with other people who like the same thing. I think that would be really valuable. And keeping it limited, so you can't post more than X times a day, and you have a way to message people privately, things like that, to keep it kind of not fully social because we don't want to widespread into likes and getting status and views. That just ruins the game. So, just an idea, but I'm throwing it out there. That's what I've been thinking about lately. Curiosity Quench, I haven't actually coded on in about 2.5 weeks, and I feel guilty about that, but at the same time, it's been the best 2.5 weeks for acquiring new users that the app has ever seen in its lifetime. Over 30,000 users in the last month, or sorry, 40,000. Because I haven't been coding as much and because I've actually been pushing the app out there. So that's the thing. Yeah. Anyways, those are the results. It's going pretty well. The app, if you want to see it, is still working solid. You can find something you're interested in doing rather than scrolling on your phone and swipe right to get a plan on it. These plans are all curated, have curated content for every single step. So you can watch it, do it, and yeah, do things you're interested in doing rather than scrolling. That's the whole point of the app. That's my TED Talk for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you when I see you in the next one, or maybe I won't. Goodbye. Take care. I love you. Peace.